pursuing BCom or have you completed BCom and thinking of starting ACCA, but you believe that ACCA is too long or expensive? What if I tell you that you may need to write only 8 papers instead of 13? Is that possible? Yes, that's possible. And that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. What are the papers that will be exempted? How many papers can be exempted? And what are the different conditions for BCom students who are still pursuing it and BCom graduates who have completed it? So stay tuned till the end. So first we need to understand why exemptions really matter. See, ACCA offers 13 papers in total, right? Now exemptions will allow you to skip certain papers which are based on your academic background. For BCom students in India, exemptions can save time, effort, they can significantly reduce your stress, and of course a lot of money as well. So let's check out how. Now there are 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 is when you have completed your BCom, which means you are a BCom graduate. In that case, you are eligible for 5 direct exemptions, no conditions whatsoever, which means that ACCA के 5 papers will be exempted for you. अभी exempted papers कौन से हैं? So as you know that there are 3 levels. First level is knowledge level. In your knowledge level, all 3 papers will be exempted. Business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. And then we have skills level, applied skills level, जहाँ पे आपके 6 papers होते हैं. So in those 6 papers, आपके 2 papers exempt हो सकते हैं, which are corporate and business law and taxation. So this means that out of total 13 papers, you will only have to give 8 papers. So that means if you are a BCom graduate, you will get direct exemption of 5 papers and there are no conditions for this. Now, let's check out scenario number 2. In case you have not completed your BCom, you are still pursuing it, it is ongoing, whether you are in the first year, second year, or third year, even then you can avail up to 5 exemptions. Now, how is that possible? If you are doing your BCom from any university which is there in the ACCA approved list of around 80 Indian universities. So if you're doing BCom from any university जिसका नाम इस ACCA approved list में है, then you are eligible for exemption. But इस exemption को हम बोलते हैं conditional exemption. Now, what is conditional exemption? It simply means that the exemptions will become active after you complete your BCom. You are eligible while you are in the first year or second year or third year while you are still pursuing it. लेकिन ये active कब होंगी? After you will complete your BCom. So as soon as you complete your BCom and you will submit your final degree proof to ACCA, आप ये exemptions confirm हो जाएंगी. And how many exemptions will you get? You will also get 5 exemptions. All the 3 papers of knowledge level and 2 papers of skill level, same as a BCom graduate will get. So if you are in the first year, second year, or final year of BCom, if you still haven't completed your BCom, you all can still plan your ACCA in advance, because as soon as you will finish your ACCA, आपको वही exemptions मिल जाएंगी जो एक BCom graduate को मिलती हैं of 5 papers. Now, something very important that you must know. For whatever exemptions we are availing, we will have to pay exemption fee for that. It is not for free. तो अगर हमें BCom में 5 papers exempt हो रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें per paper exemption fee देनी पड़ती है. That's a separate topic in itself. If you want to know the details about the fee structure, the exemption fee structure, let us know in the comment section whether you want to know about it, and we will come up with a detailed video for that also. But for now, अगर मैं आपको एक rough idea दूं, अगर आप BCom complete कर चुके हैं, so approximately 474 pounds आपको pay करने पड़ते हैं, right? But there's something very interesting for you. अगर आप ACCA approved learning partner के through ACCA में enroll करते हैं, in that case ये जो fees है ये significantly reduce हो जाती है up to 50%. So you will have to pay only 171 pounds instead of 474 pounds, which means अगर Indian currency की बात करें, so you will approximately have to pay 20 to 21,000 Indian rupees. But if you're not doing it through any approved learning partner, in that case, you will have to pay 474 pounds, which amounts to around 60,000 Indian rupees. So this is in case where you have completed your BCom, you're a BCom graduate. If you are not a BCom graduate, undergraduate hai, which means it's still ongoing, in that case, my dear students, the entire fee is waived off. So that's how you can save big in terms of cost. If you want to know more details about it, don't forget to fill the Google form that you'll find in the description below. Please fill that form. Let us know which university you are from. कहाँ से आप बीकॉम कर रहे हैं, क्या आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी उन अप्रूव्ड लिस्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज में फॉल करती है या नहीं, एंड कितनी फी आपके लिए वेव ऑफ होगी. टू नो all such details and many more questions related to ACA, आप उस फॉर्म को fill करो and our team will ensure आपका हर doubt solve हो. So before I wind up, let me just quickly summarize whatever we have discussed. If your BCom is complete, you can avail 5 direct exemptions. If your BCom is still ongoing, then you can avail 5 conditional exemptions. As soon as you will complete your BCom and you will submit the proof, your degree with ACCA, you will get those exemptions. Now, in that case, only 8 papers you will need to clear instead of 13. And don't forget, there are extra fee benefits if you study with an ACCA approved learning partner. But remember, exemptions are not fixed or guaranteed for everyone. Depth and coverage of BCom syllabus, that matters. The extent of overlap between the ACCA papers content and the subjects you've already studied, that would play a very important role. University curriculum, whether that aligns with ACCA standards or not, and ACCA's final assessment at the time of application. So yeah, it is subject to all these conditions. But yes, in general, you are eligible to avail these exemptions as we have discussed. So that's all in this video. Please take care and let us know if you have any more questions.